Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a short project where we open a text file and we substitute some words and change the words around for other words. So you'll see in a minute. We're going to use the regex sub. So I'm going to show you how to use that. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to import time into here, and we also need to import RE, which is the regex. So I'm going to create a variable called path. This is going to be to my desktop. Users mark desktop. Then we use os.chdri. So we're going to change into my desktop path. The reason we're going to change into my desktop path is I have a file on there, and that's the file that I will be using. Your desktop path is going to look different to this, so you'll have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. Also, make sure you import the OS module here as well, because we use that here. Okay, I'm going to create a function now called openFile. And we're going to print original contents. So that will print out the message to the user, and then we're going to open the file, and we do that with open. Then we specify the name of the file, which is going to be test.txt, and then we pass it a little parameter here called R for read, and then as file object. Okay, then we're going to create a variable called contents, which we will assign to file object dot read, and then we will print the contents. Just going to run that to make sure it works. So it's going to be open file. Let's save it, let's run it. Okay, so there's the contents we printed out. Original contents. This is a test. It is an easy test. It is a short test. So what we want to do, we want to substitute this word here, is, in the sentences with was, and I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to print out another message to the user telling them what's happening. So that's going to be altered content, and we're going to use the time.sleep here. So we're going to pause the program for 1 second, and then we're going to use regex. So we create a variable here called match words, and we assign it to regex.sub. So that's for substitute. And I'm going to type in was, because I want to substitute the word was, sorry, not was, is for was in capitals, and then we have to do this and say contents, not in capitals, contents. Okay, so we're going to substitute is for was in those contents. And then what we're going to do, we're going to write it. So we're going to say with open. So we're going to open the file for writing. It's going to be test.txt here, and then we're going to give it a different flag. We're going to give it the W flag here for write as file object. Okay, so that's going to be file object dot write match words. Okay, so once we've substituted that, we're going to write it in. Okay, I'm going to come down onto another function I'm going to create here, and I'm going to call it read new file. So we're going to open this file for reading. So that's open there. We get test.txt. I'm going to use the R flag as file object. Then we're going to create a variable called contents and assign it to the file object. And then we're going to print the contents. Okay, so first of all we're going to call open file here, and then after we've done everything there, we're going to call read new file. I'm going to call that function straight after. So let's save it and let's run the program, shall we? Yeah, let's make it bigger. Oh, got a little bit of an error there, so file object. Okay, that wasn't the problem, so this is the problem here that I've made. So it should be file object dot read. Okay, we should be good to go now. Let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, so we can see what the original content was. This is a test, and the next one we've got was. Okay, so we've inserted was. If you look at the first word of this sentence, this, then you look at the alter content, it's that was. The reason is because it's replaced is here, so that's why we've got this funny word. Anyway, that's just about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.